Are you a reel maker or a content creator and you post your reels on Instagram but you don't get a lot of views on it? So in today's video, I'll tell you a hack through which you can engage more and more audience on your Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So there is not any kind of formula to generate any kind of views or to gain more and more likes or comments. If someone claims to that, so that is false, because it is not possible. Without any organic traffic, you can generate or you can gain more and more followers. Yes, you can buy it, you can do many more things through which you can get many more followers. But yes, the reality is, if you will go on a genuine path, so there is no chance of doing any kind of or putting any kind of formulas to make your video success. So what are the basic criteria that you have to keep on your mind before posting or before making any kind of video on Instagram? Let's discuss about that. So the number one strategy is you have to understand the audience, age, preference, taste, and the geography. For example, I am a user and I am 22 years old and I would like to see something related to action or games on my reels. But on the other hand, my mom, she is 48 and she wants to see something else. So our taste and preference has a different choice because of the age group. So first of all, you need to define your proper audience. And let me tell you one interesting thing. The average Instagram, nearly 85% of audience is under 45 of the age. So now I hope you have understood that for whom to create the videos and what kind of audience that you have to target. Number two is to promote your video. At least promote 1 or 2 videos within a month by using Instagram advertisement. Through this, you can go to more and more audience, and then only you can generate more and more audience by doing this ads. For example, if your ad came to me and I liked it, then I will follow you definitely. So you have to create a very engaging content and then you have to advertise it on the platform. Number 3 is to identify that you want to use it as a professional account or you want to use it as a business. So for that, there is a specific categories has been divided by Instagram already. So if you are a working professional and you want to create something for your Instagram, so convert your normal ID into a professional ID. And same goes with the business. So first of all, you need to identify, you have to categorize your whole account through which Instagram can get the proper details of your Instagram profile, and then only it will reach a good amount of audience. Number 4, be active on your Instagram. Whether you're posting any kind of story, whether you're posting any kind of videos on a daily basis, you have to be active. I'm not saying that you have to post every day, but yes, if you're posting something on weekly, so please be consistent on that, because consistency is the key of the success on Instagram or on the YouTube as well. So you have to be consistent on the Instagram, whether you are doing it on a daily basis or whether you are doing it on a monthly basis. So you have to decide when and where you have to post and what are the important things to post on Instagram. Number 5, do not ever try to buy any kind of audience or followers or likes or comments or views for your own Instagram account. This will highly impact your Instagram and it will create a problem to monetize your Instagram as well, and also it will create a problem to reach more and more customers, because Instagram will think that okay, you have this much of followers, so Instagram will send your photos and your videos to the followers more. But because you have added fake followers, that means the followers are not active and you are not getting the sufficient amount of likes or comments or views or the engagement. So these are the 5 mool mantras that I have tried for my Instagram account, and you also must try this Instagram accounts hack through which you can generate more and more audience, you can grab more and more audience, and you can create your Instagram more professional. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.